Hey Jettie Rockers, welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing. Well, today we're going to do something I haven't done in a while. We're going to do another segment of the cleaning table. And today we're going to be cleaning a squirrelfish. This is kind of a unique fish that we have around here. I mean, some of you may have heard of it, some of you may not have heard of it. It's kind of a dangerous fish to handle. It's got very sharp gill plates, very sharp spines, and even its scales are sharp. Its scales will cut you. I've seen a lot of people handle this fish and have to go to the emergency room to get stitches put in their hand. We have a nickname for this fish around here called the razorfish, and it is correctly named that. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna clean one today. I'm gonna show you guys how to handle one, how to clean one. It's a fairly easy fish to clean. They have a really hard rib cage, which is kind of hard to get around sometimes, and that's how some people stick themselves when they clean them, if they want to clean them. But not really a fish that's really eaten much. You know, I just did a catch, clean, and cook on this fish, and it was actually pretty good. I remember eating some back when I was younger, but I haven't eaten one in a long time, so I couldn't remember if it was good or not. So we did one today. I've been wanting to do one for a while. But real quick, guys, I'll see you guys at the cleaning table, and we're gonna clean this little fish. Alright guys, we got our squirrelfish here, and I'm going to give you guys a warning right now with this fish. If you ever catch one, do not handle them with bare hands. Wear gloves, use a towel, use pliers, use something, because everything on this fish will get you. Everything in here is razor sharp. All these fins are like needles, and they will poke the crap out of you. Even their scales are razor sharp. The scales itself will cut you. Everything on this fish is dangerous. It's not poisonous, but it will cut the crap out of you. All right guys, what I do is I take my finger and I stick it right here in the eye a little bit, and my thumb underneath the little jaw here, because it's nothing there. And then you're gonna clean it just like you would any other fish. Come in and try your best not to poke yourself with those fins right there. Go sideways here, and you're gonna go down. Come in here once I made that incision and grab a hold. There you go. Rib cage is a little tough. There you go. Alrighty. We got a nice little fillet here. Do the same thing on the other side. When you're cutting this other side, be careful not to cut yourself right there. There you go. Alrighty. Alright, I got my two little squirrelfish fillets here. So I'm going to go in just like any other fish and fillet it out. There you go. Come in here with this rib cage, cut that out, and they will have a little bit of pin bones right here. Actually not bad though. There you go. And there you go guys, there's a really nice looking squirrelfish fillet. Alright, one more fillet here. And what I would say for those of you that are not real confident cleaning a fish, this is not the fish that I would clean. If you catch some, I'd give it to someone else to let them clean it, or just let it go. But if you are pretty good at cleaning a fish and you're pretty confident about your skills and you want to try this fish, hopefully this video will help you out a little bit. But please respect the fish, because it will hurt you. And there you go guys, Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that little video on how to clean a squirrelfish. If for some chance you'd like to know how to clean this fish, here's this video. You'll be able to use it. I have a lot of videos in this playlist, my cleaning table playlist. If you're curious about cleaning any kind of certain species of fish, make sure you check out that playlist. It's probably in there, because anytime I catch a new species that I haven't done yet, I try to do a video on how to clean that species. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. But please, if you do catch this fish and you do decide to clean one and try and eat it, please be careful, because this fish can hurt you. I mean, it can cut you pretty bad. I've been lucky enough. I haven't been cut by one by cleaning it, but I have been cut by handling them before. They will cut you very badly and very deep. Well guys, thank you very much for hanging out with me and watching this video. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers, and I'll be seeing y'all real soon. Hey Jettie Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.